Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 5 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. So before I get started, I'm just going to quickly mention that this process removes screen lock, so if you have one set that you just don't know, I think we can get rid of it this way as well. Now, to get started, I'm going to lock the device, and you can see I do have a pattern here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So we're going to hold our power button, select power off, and when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the Honor logo on the screen, which should be right about now, there we go, let go of the power button and keep holding volume up till the Honor logo disappears. Give it a second and it should take us, there we go, to recovery mode. Now in here, you want to select clear data and then factory reset. We need to just confirm this by typing in yes, as you can see right here. So there we go, and select factory reset. This will begin factory resetting your device. Now on this portion right here, it's relatively quick. It only gets like 10 or 20%. And at that point it will be almost instantly done and the device will then reboot. So we're going to select back, restart, and this will continue the process in the background. So it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up. That is completely normal. Once the process is finished, we will be presented with our Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.